about your favorite sports team, what they do ahead of, during, and after games that help them win. And that's a little difficult for them because they don't know exactly what their opponent's going to do. Great news for us in safety. Our opponent hazards, risk, they're quantifiable and predictable. That should make it very easy for us to game plan effectively for safety if we use the right tools. And that's what we want to talk about. Sports teams ahead of a game, they do a really good job of scouting. For us, that's a task and a worksite preview. From that scouting, they develop a game plan. For us, job hazard analysis, HASP, task hazard analysis, whatever you call them. During the game, it's such a key point. They have, before the game, they have a pregame speech. During timeouts, there's game stops. For us, that's pre-job briefings. A key point, how often do they huddle? Football teams huddle and they talk about what they're going to do for the next 4 seconds of their lives. We should huddle 2-minute drills and think about how we're going to save and protect lives. And then after the game's over, if we've done those things effectively, we've won. And still though, sports teams, they watch game film. For us, post-job briefings, after-action reviews. What did we do well that needs to be repeated? What could we do better? How can we improve? So come join me and let's talk about how we can use that analogy of how sports teams prepare for games, and let's game plan effectively for safety. I look forward to seeing you there. Stay safe and be well.